channel. So today I am giving you all this soft glam purple vibes, wanna ride, I'm trying to rhyme. The palette that I'm going to go into first is the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to go into this purple shade right here. You just see me packing this shade, this purple wine shade, on my crease until it's well pigmented on here. Now that I have the purple on my eyes, I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm just going to use that as a transition color. When I do my transition colors, I dig into the palette, and then I continuously go like this, because I don't want it to be too much powder when I'm applying it on the top shade, on the bottom shade. So I'm just blending it in real softly with the purple, real lightly I should say. Now that I am finished applying the shades on my eyes, I'm going to go into my Morphe 316 brush, and I'm just going to blend those harsh lines out. Just blend and blend and blend. The highlighter shade that I'll be using is the shade in the 39L palette, and I'm going to go into this, it's kind of like a pixie pink kind of color. Okay, now that I am finished adding the highlighter in my eyes, I'm going to go into my e.l.f. eyeliner. Am I the only one, when putting eyeliner on, your hand gets like really shaky? Because you really do not want to mess up. Okay, now I'm about to dig into my foundation, and the foundation that I'm wearing is the Avon Magic 6 foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Now that I am finished applying my foundation, I'm going to go into the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee and just highlight my cheeks and my chin and my nose. I'm going to go into my Makeup Revolution powder and Banana Deep and just apply it underneath my eyes. The contour palette that I'll be going into today is the True Complexion Cream Contour palette. And I'm going to go into the shade Contour, and then I'm going to go into the shade Sculpt. So now I am going to go on my eyeliner. I'm using the MAC eyeliner. This is in the, let's see, the color Graphic Black. So I'm just going to apply it right here. So off camera, I just finished setting my face with the Milan Make It Last setting spray, and this is candy for your face. Candy for your face. Prep my lips for lip gloss or chapstick, I use a makeup remover to get all the makeup off of my lips because I don't want it to look caked on. So I'm going to use my lip liner from MAC, and it's called Chestnut, and I'm just going to outline my lip. So now I'm going to go into my lip glass from MAC and just apply it on here. Okay, so since it is kind of too much lipstick on my lips, I'm going to like just dab it off a little bit. Like that. So this is the final look. I hope you all liked it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.